To visit. Visit your parents. Visit a new city. A hotel. A good hotel. A 3-star hotel. To stay. Stay at a hotel. Stay at your friends. To book. Book a room at a hotel. Book online. A ticket. Plane tickets. Buy tickets online. To stop. Stop for a coffee. The train stops here. Present. Past.
I visit this museum every year. I visited this museum last year. She stays at this hotel every month. She stayed at this hotel last month. We usually book our tickets online. We booked our tickets 2 hours ago.
I visit my grandparents every Sunday. I visited my grandparents last Sunday. We usually stay at small hotels. Last year, our family stayed at a very big hotel. He sometimes finishes his work late. He finished his work early yesterday. The bus stops at that station. The bus stopped at that station 10 minutes ago. I played football with my friends yesterday. He visited that city last year. She liked her hotel. They stayed at their friends for the weekend.
Worked. Visited. Liked. Closed. Studied. Married. Stayed. Played. Stopped.
He opened his car. She closed the book. I stayed at that hotel for 2 days. He emptied his bag. I added some sugar to my coffee. We visited our parents last weekend. They stopped for a coffee. We booked the hotel for 2 nights. Read and choose. I lived in this city when I was young. He finished his work early yesterday. We stopped and looked at the mountains. He listened to music in his car. Quiz. An hour ago, we stopped on the bridge and helped them. We booked plane tickets yesterday. The tickets weren't very expensive.